In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to N26. Step 1. Get your N26 IBAN. Open the N26 app, tap your initials, go to account details and copy your IBAN. Step 2. Log into Wise. Open Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3. Start a new transfer. Click Send Money and select your sending currency and amount. Step 4. Add N26 account as recipient. Select Add Recipient and then enter your full name and paste the N26 IBAN. Step 5. Confirm transfer details. Review the transfer amount, fees, exchange rate and estimated delivery time. Step 6. Choose payment method and send. Select how to fund your transfer and confirm the payment. You can pay with bank, Wise account balance or with card. Step 7. Track transfer. Monitor the transfer status on Wise and wait for funds to arrive in your N26 account. Now I have some tips for Wise to N26 transfers. Use the correct IBAN to avoid delays. And transfers can be instant or take up to 1 to 2 business days. It's important to keep an eye on notifications from both Wise and N26 for updates. And that's how you send money from Wise to N26. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.